captured wasn't just an ordinary takeoff. It turned into the only known civilian footage of a tragic crash, the Air India Dreamliner AI-171 falling from the sky in a fireball. Aryan's video, now in the hands of aviation authorities, might hold key clues in decoding what went wrong before the crash. Until the black boxes speak, this footage is the first window into those fatal moments. Let's break it down for you. Experts watching Aryan's clearer footage believe they spotted a deployment of the RAT. I'm talking about Ram Air Turbine. It is located beneath the aircraft, just behind the wing and landing gear area. And it is also a last resort device that pops out like a windmill under the aircraft when everything else fails. Think backup power for the backup power. But why does this matter? Because RATs only deploy when both engines fail, or if there's total electrical or hydraulic failure. Basically, when the plane is in deep trouble. And here's where it gets more complex. There were already theories floating before this about flaps not retracting or landing gear staying down. That would mean more drag, less lift. But the RAT changes the frame entirely. The lone survivor said there was a loud bang. The cabin lights went out, and then a green light came on. That green glow, likely from the RAT kicking in. The mayday call from the captain followed shortly after. And this sequence, bang, blackout, emergency turbine, all point to a major system failure. Dual engine failure is rare. Fuel contamination is rare. Bird strikes taking out both engines, even rarer. Yet, all of them are now possible theories. Why? Because a lot happened in very little time. From takeoff to crash, the Dreamliner only reached about 625 feet, or close to 400 feet above ground if you subtract airport elevation. That's barely enough altitude to respond to a serious emergency. Now here's the theory that was gaining traction before the RAT revelation. Takeoff rotation, normal. But the landing gear, still down. Flaps, maybe not retracted. Result, drag increases, lift reduces. Even if the engines were working, it could stall the aircraft. Add in the possibility of a partial or total loss of thrust, and the situation becomes deadly. And the pilots likely tried pulling up one last time. That upward pitch near the end, probably a desperate move after the terrain warning blared in the cockpit. The flight data recorder has been recovered, and when analyzed, will tell us how every switch, dial, and engine behaved. The cockpit voice recorder has also been found and will reveal conversations, warnings, and alarms. That's all for now. For more news updates and explainers, stay tuned to the Indian Express. Thank you so much for watching.